Hello friends, I will explain the topic trigonometrical ratios. Three sides of a right angle triangle give six trigonometrical ratios. That is sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. In short, these six trigonometrical ratios written like this. That is sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Okay. First we know about sin. Sin is defined as the ratio between the lengths of perpendicular and hypotenuse. That is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Next, cosine, that is cos in short. Cosine is defined as the ratio between the lengths of base and hypotenuse. That is base by hypotenuse. Next, tangent. That is tan. Tangent is defined as the ratio between the lengths of perpendicular and base. That is perpendicular by base. Next, cotangent, that is cot in short. Cotangent is defined as the ratio between the lengths of base and perpendicular. That is base by perpendicular. Next, secant, that is sec in short. Secant is defined as a ratio between the lengths of hypotenuse and base. That is hypotenuse by base. And cosecant, that is cosec in short. Cosec is defined as the ratio between the lengths of hypotenuse and perpendicular. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. So, sine is defined as the ratio between the lengths of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Cosine is defined as the ratio between the lengths of base and hypotenuse. Tangent is defined as the ratio between the lengths of perpendicular and base. Next, cotangent is defined as the ratio between the lengths of base and perpendicular. Secant is defined as the ratio between the lengths of hypotenuse and base. Cosecant is defined as the ratio between the lengths of hypotenuse and perpendicular. So this is a right angle triangle. So we take here angle P is the angle of reference. Opposite to the angle P is perpendicular. And adjacent to it is a base. And opposite to the right angle triangle is hypotenuse. So sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cosine means base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Tangent means perpendicular by base. That is perpendicular by base. Next, cotangent means base by perpendicular. That is base and perpendicular. Next, secant means hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. Next, cosecant means hypotenuse by perpendicular. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. These 6 ratios are difficult to understand it. So we have easy steps to understand easily. That is SPH, CBH, TPP. Yes, here S means sine and PH means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here C means cos and BH means base by hypotenuse. And here T means tan and PB means perpendicular by base. Another 3 ratios are reverse to it. Here cotangent is opposite, base by perpendicular. Here tan equals to perpendicular by base. Here cotangent means base by perpendicular. Here secant is hypotenuse by base. We know that secant means hypotenuse by base. Here cos means base by hypotenuse. Here reverse to it. Hypotenuse by base, base by hypotenuse. Next, SPH, sine. Sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse, we know that. And cosecant means cosecant means hypotenuse by perpendicular. Reverse. Sine, cosec. These are the easy steps to understand it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe.